In this week's episode of Ask Dustin Anything, I got a question that stumped me. I know, right? I need your help. Alright, so a client of mine reached out and asked the following. Alright, Dustin, apart from a base salary, we plan to pay a performance bonus to our affiliate manager. What would be a valid percentage amount that is commonly used in the affiliate industry to compensate the in house staff? Well, I thought about this for a day, and I honestly couldn't come up with a good answer. Like every company I've ever worked for on a full time basis as an affiliate manager, I asked for a commission structure, but they wouldn't give it to me. So my best attempts never came to fruition, and I'm just so happy to hear about this guy, the CEO that wants to pay their affiliate manager and has that forward vision. So the best thing I could think of is setting up the affiliate manager as a two-tier affiliate. And if you're not familiar with what two-tier is, it's the same thing as MLM, multi-level marketing, but just with two levels. And essentially, you get affiliate A recruits affiliate B, and if affiliate B generates a sale, they get X percentage of commission, and affiliate A also gets a smaller percentage of that commission on top of the other affiliates' commission. So, in essence, let's take for example, you have $100 sale and you give away 10% for a commission. So, affiliate B would earn 10% commission of $10, and affiliate A, if that compensation of the two tier is 25%, then they're going to earn 250 on top of that $10 for that $100 sale. So if that makes sense, I think the best way to approach this might be making the affiliate manager just a two tier. So everybody that comes into the program that they recruit, they're going to get that, let's say 10% two tier bonus. So if a $100 sale happens, affiliate gets 10% and the affiliate manager gets 1%, 10% of that 10%, which is $1. So a dollar for every $100 made going to the affiliate channel manager. And I don't know if this is the right solution or not. Like, I would really love other people's opinions on what they're doing in house and how they're setting up these commission structures, but it seems like it would make a lot of sense to motivate an affiliate manager in house to go after good affiliates. One downside of all of this is they fill the program up with coupon sites, and I just don't see that being a whole lot of value. But if you drop that commission rate for coupon sites down to 2% instead and they get 1% of that, like, is that worth their time to be going to recruit these guys? I don't know. Like, I would love people's comments below to answer what you've seen out there in the wild. Would love to hear from you. Good luck out there, folks. We'll see you out there.